All right, YouTube, check it out, man. I just got a box in from STYLECRAFT and Gamma. Y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna unbox this right now. But before we do that, if y'all new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below, share it with one of your friends, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, we're gonna unbox this right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Man, they always mess up my razor. You know what? That's why I don't use the razor no more. Get these bad boys. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open up this box so we can see what they sent your boy. I'm thinking it's the Instinct, the new Metal Instinct, either clipper or trimmer, because they got both coming out now. So we're gonna see which one it is right here in a second. You know how STYLECRAFT likes to do it now, man. They like to send you the stuff in this box inside of the other box. So once again, here is that box that we gotta open again. All right, but let's go ahead and take off this plastic so we can open this up. All right, we got that plastic off. So let's go ahead and open this thing up so we can see what they sent me. So we got the Metal Edition Instinct Clipper. Check it out. This is just saying it's gonna drop June 1st. So y'all be on the lookout for it June 1st. Remember, guys, you can go to stylecraftus.com and use my discount code TANK10. Pre-order this. I'm not sure if it's on their website yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on their website soon, so y'all can do that. But let's go ahead and get this box out of here. That way we can open up this box and see what comes in here. So once again, as you can see, the Metal Edition Instinct STYLECRAFT Pro Clipper. They got some different colors on there. I think the last ones were, what was it? Blue, black, and red, I think. So this one we got the white, we got the pink, and we got the black. Let's check what the back says. Metal housing dampens noise and absorbs vibration for a quieter, smoother operation. Assembled with a fixed black diamond vapor blade for superior blending. A vector motor, 11,500 strokes per minute. Fully adjustable blade, can be zero gapped. So like I said, it's got the vector motor in it with torque control. So basically, when you go through like thicker hair or hair that's gonna be harder to cut, it's gonna speed up and make it a little easier to cut that hair down. Lithium ion battery delivers up to 4 hours of cordless runtime with a 2-hour charge time. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and open up this box so we can see how this thing is looking.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Okay, so check it out. That's how the clipper looks once you open up the box. Shout out to STYLECRAFT, man. They doing their thing. But check it out. Here is the clipper. We got the clipper right here in this plastic thing. So I thought it was a black clipper, but as you can see, it's more of a see-through, like a see-through black, which is pretty dope. Let's go ahead and take that cap off. And as you can see, it does come with the vapor blade. DLC vapor blade. As you can see, it's pretty oiled up, which is good. You know, it's basically ready to go. We do have a click lever on here. The clicks feel nice. I'm liking the way the clicks feel on this clipper. Ergonomics is basically the same thing as the original Instinct. Let me see if I can grab one real quick. All right, so as you can see, here is the original Instinct, and then here is the new metal instinct. It does feel heavier because it is a metal body. This body was plastic, so this was metal, so it's gonna be a little heavier. But once again, nice clicks on it. But let's go ahead and turn this thing on so y'all can hear how this thing sounds. So it does sound quieter than the original instinct. So this is the original instinct on. And then here is the metal instinct. So it sounds a little quieter. Doesn't feel as, like the vibration isn't as hard in the hand with this one. But all in all, man, it's pretty similar to the original instinct. Slightly different, but for the most part, it's pretty identical to it. Just different cases on it. The little window right here is a little different. The body is metal instead of plastic. But all in all, almost the same clipper, just probably upgraded. I hope they fix some of the issues that this clipper was having. Check that out one more time. But let's go ahead and finish looking at what comes inside of the box. All right, so when you look inside the box, as you can see here, we do have the white case and we also have the pink case. So if you wanted to change the way your clipper looked, if you wanted it to be white, as you can see here, you do get the white lid and the pink lid in case you wanted to change it to the pink lid, how it looks on the side of the box. But let's go ahead and take this plastic thing out of here so we can see what comes underneath. All right, so underneath we do get the STYLECRAFT charging dock, which is good. Most people like to charge, put their clippers on a charging dock while they're not cutting hair, letting them charge, or in between clients or whatnot. So as you can see, it fits in there pretty nicely. So we do get a STYLECRAFT charging dock. And then we also get a pack of dubs. We get the white dub guards, as y'all can see. Check that out. So it's gonna be the same thing as the previous clipper, the guards that came with the previous clipper. And then here we have a stretch bracket. What else we got in here? A stretch bracket. We got some different color levers, some oil, and a little brush, another cam follower in case the clipper does get loud. We also have the charging cord and a USB-C cord, because you can charge the clipper via USB-C, so that's good that they put this in the box with it. And then we get a screwdriver that we really ain't ever gonna use, and then the pamphlet also. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and look at this clipper one more time. So check it out. The Metal Instinct clipper. Sounds good, man. It feels powerful. But y'all know what it is, man. Your boy's gonna put this thing to work, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it here in a little bit. Let's get it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Metal Instinct from STYLECRAFT. Off the jump, man, I enjoy using this clipper. And the reason why I say that is because even the original Instinct, I really enjoyed using. The Instinct X, I enjoyed using, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the ergonomics. The ergonomics was cool, and I guess for some people who don't like a smaller clipper, it worked well, but I thought this one was pretty comfortable, you know what I'm saying? So I liked using it, and now that they brought it back with the new metal body, I like using it. Works super, super good. And I know y'all thinking like, bro, what do you mean it's a metal? It's metal. It looks plastic. While yes, the front is plastic, the back is metal, and that's what they're referring to when they say the Metal Instinct. And I think that helps with a little bit of the noise. So it's not super quiet. It's not a lot quieter than the original Instinct, but it is quieter, right? And it does help with the vibration that it has a metal body. So yes, it is still loud due to the fact that it's a vector motor. Vector motors are really powerful, and they have a powerful hum, as you can hear, but you don't feel as much as a vibration with this casing on it. You know what I'm saying? If they would have kept a plastic casing, you'd feel more of that vibration. But now that they have a metal back to it, the vibration has gone down significantly, and you can tell that it feels a little more comfortable to use when you're using this in the barbershop. It does come with the STYLECRAFT Vapor Blade, one of my favorite blades from STYLECRAFT. Once again, check that thing out, man. It looks nice, as you can see. We have a lever on it, a regular stretch on there. It's not the stretch lever, you know. It's the regular throw that the clippers come with. However, the box does come with the stretch lever. If you wanted to adjust it, you can put the stretch lever on there. You do have to remove the clicks if you wanted to. I'm gonna keep this one like this. I like the way that it's working. And when it comes to performance, like I said, I like the way that it works. Debulks great, blends well. It's just all in all, in my opinion, once again, this is my opinion. I know y'all gonna say, Tank, you always be saying that. But my opinion, all in all, it's a great tool. Some people may not like the ergonomics of it. Some people may not like the way it fits in your hand. They may not like the size of it, and that's perfectly fine. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. But once again, this channel is me talking about my opinions, and obviously y'all value it. That's why y'all here checking out this video, right? So my opinion is, all in all, great tool. Like the way it works, blends well. You know, it does come with the STYLECRAFT dub guards, and for whatever reason, I like using the dub guards on the Instinct and the Instinct X. For me, the dub guards work perfect on them, and I just like using them. I know some people don't like them, but I guess because I know how to use, you know, multiple different guards and different clippers, it's not really an issue for me. For some people, it may be an issue because the sizes are slightly different than your traditional wall guards, but they still blend into each other, right? Like I didn't have an issue of blending. I think the only difference is like the first couple guards, like the half to the 1 to the 1.5. The levers are, the sizes are a little different than the wall sizes, like the wall lengths. But once you can get used to that and learn how to cut with it, I don't think it's an issue. But once again, check it out, guys. The Instinct I was gonna say the Instinct X. The Instinct Metal Edition, as you can see. We do got the charging port down here. We have a USB-C charger in back. It does come with other lids. It comes with the white lid and the pink lid if you're interested in changing the lid. But yeah, man, that's all I wanted to say in this video. All in all, I do think it's a good tool. I'm not sure what the price is, but I will make sure to look it up and put the price on the screen for y'all. But remember, guys, if you go to stylecraftus.com, you can use my discount code TANK10 and save yourself some money on this tool or any tool on their website. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and run that up if y'all want to purchase this tool. I believe it's on pre-order now, dropping soon. So y'all make sure if y'all want to get this, go to the website and use my discount code TANK10. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.